Ever wondered how modern networks communicate efficiently? IPv6 has revolutionized data delivery, replacing old methods with something far smarter. Imagine sending a message. With broadcast, everyone on the network receives it, even if they don't need it, creating unnecessary traffic and noise. Now, with multicast, messages are sent only to a specific, interested group. It's like sending a targeted email, not a mass announcement. This means less network noise and significantly more efficiency. Resources are conserved and data flows precisely where it's needed. Let's look at some crucial IPv6 multicast addresses. First, FFO2. 1 is the all nodes multicast address. It ensures every device on the local link receives the message. Then, FFO2. 2 is the all routers multicast address. This address is vital for router discovery and communication. Now, let's explore how an IPv6 address is configured. First, a device connects to the network. It sends a router solicitation, or RS, to find a router. The router responds with a router advertisement, or RA, containing the network prefix. Using SLAAC, the device generates its own unique IPv6 address. Then, duplicate address detection, or DAD, checks for any duplicate IPs. Finally, neighbor solicitation and advertisement allow it to talk to neighbors. So, how does this compare to IPv4's approach? In IPv4, broadcast sends data to everyone on the network. This can lead to congestion and wasted bandwidth. But in IPv6, multicast sends only two specific interested devices. This makes networks faster, more efficient, and incredibly smarter. Less noise, more precision. That's the power of IPv6 multicast. Upgrade your understanding of networking. Embrace the future with IPv6. Thank you for watching it step by step. Keep exploring networking. Commands and real-world lab tips, one step at a time.